We did white river rafting at the slow-flowing Mochu River, also known as a female river in Punakha. River rafting here is suitable for elderly and children as this is less risky and there are few rapids, just enough to provide a river rafting experience. Those who want to take more risk and thrill of river rafting can try the same at the fast-flowing Pochu River, also known as the Male River. Except for the few rapids, the journey is mostly quiet, allowing us to observe nature and the beautiful mountains around us. We can see some birds and fish on our 1.5 hours long journey through the Mochi. This is something you can try if you are new to river rafting or are scared of rafting after watching videos of rafts overturning. Maximum capacity of the raft is 6 people and it costed us 8,000 rupees. Now enjoy a Bhutanese song from our rafting guide Sejur.
My name is Sejur. Shendi mingo chiragoni gade beru chiragoni cheben jara misube teri bari chiragoni chiragoni